Dude, those S1Ks are clean as fuck. Holy shit. That screen's so dope, honestly. It's what your boy wants. R6s are mean. For real, for real. Alright, but we are here on a mission for a net. Let's see. Perfect, thank you so much. Yo, what's going on, guys? My name's Tommy Gunn, bringing you another video, well, at my local dealership, Moon Motorsports. But today I'm about to hop back on CBR 500R for the first, why am I putting my gloves in there? For the first time in about a week. I was out in South Dakota visiting the Badlands and the Black Hills, both of which were pretty dang awesome. I liked the Black Hills a lot more than the Badlands just because I'm a big fan of mountains, but both were pretty cool places to visit for the week, to say the least. So that Triumph at the end that I was looking at the end, it's a Triumph Daytona Moto 2, I believe. It's a 765cc engine weighing roughly 360 pounds with a ton of carbon fiber. Thing's fucking mean. There's 765 of them that were produced, and I guess Moon has 2 of them. So if any of you are looking for that very limited bike, well, feel free to go pick yourself up one. Super dope. So I visited the Black Hills, camped in the Badlands for 2 days, then went over to Rapid City and stayed there for a night. So I visited Mount Rushmore and hiked and did all that shit. And all I gotta say is I want to get the bike out there now. There was some super cool roads. One of them is called Needles Highway. Very, very narrow road going through the mountains, but very scenic. Would be super fun to take the bike through. So yeah, that's kind of why I've been MIA the last week and a half or two, is doing that, as well as hanging out with some friends up north for Labor Day weekend, which was also a blast. Just getting a week of vacation out of the way before school starts back up, which it did start on, I believe, Wednesday. I got to enjoy a nice lecture on the side of a mountain in the Black Hills, so I can't complain too much about that. What's up, buddy? I could be responsible. Or irresponsible. I choose responsible all the time, for obvious reasons. And let's go over here. So I heard with the Travis Scott McDonald's collab that I can just go to McDonald's and tell him that Cactus Jack sent me. So I'm gonna go do that on the bike and see what we get.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. How can I help you today?
Hey, Travis Scott sent me.
Just the burger?
Burger and fries.
And then what's the drink?
That's all.
Just the fry and the Travis Scott burger?
Yep.
Alright, your total is $9.32.
So as I'm editing this, I realized I did not say thank you and kind of feel like a douche now. Whoops.
$6. I guess not. Not today. I think it would have been $6 if I,
You got a YouTube channel?
I do. There.
Alright, there you go.
Awesome, thank you very much.
Hand him the phone. I'll park up here.
Alright, right on. There you go. Yeah. Alright, cheers guys.
Wait, does that mean we're gonna be on it?
Do you wanna be? You wanna be?
Sure.
Alright. Right on, brothers. Yo, if you guys are watching this, thanks for being so chill. I can't believe I just paid $9 for that fucking medium burger and fries, where if I got the drink it would have been $6. Oh well. That's what I get for riding my motorcycle to get it, I guess. You know, typically I say it's another beautiful day in Minnesota, but I can't say the same today. This sucks. It's kind of funny that the did I say Travis Scott sent me or Cactus Jack sent me? I think I said Travis Scott. Oh well. Jesus. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment down in the comment section what you guys think of the Cactus Jack burger. Thanks homies for being so chill at the McDonald's, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.